Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display end of meeting experience feedback survey on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings on the left side, and after that tap on Meeting at the top and go to the In Meeting Basic section. And here you can see this display end of meeting experience feedback survey. So turn it on by tapping on this button, and it means that you can display a thumbs up and down survey at the end of each meeting that you host. So if your participants respond with thumbs down, they can provide additional feedback about what went wrong. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.